Hello and welcome back to part 3 of making a responsive email for your business for free. My name is Miko. Thank you for joining the Think Miko channel. Please subscribe and like this video and share with all your friends. The last part of part 2, I was saying basically there's a way to save your template of the responsive email that you already created into Gmail. And I'm going to go over a review of how to put that email in the responsive email that you created back into Gmail. But first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize new message and I'm going to click settings, the little gear icon, and I'm going to go to settings. There is an option in Gmail to where you can save template emails. The first thing I want to do is I always like to set up my inbox first to separate things. I've already created a Invested Boudoir label. So to set up a label, you would click label and you'll go all the way down to the bottom and you'll click create a new label. Create a new label, type it in, whatever you type, and then it'll give you some options and then it'll show up here on the side. I've already created one. Then I'm going to go, the next thing you should do is after you create your label, you should click filters and create a new filter. So we're going to click out of that. I've already created one here. The third thing you should do is to click on the Advanced tab. There's this thing called Canned Responses, aka templates. Create a template response by saving common messages using a button in Compose toolbar. So we're going to click Enable. We're going to enable that and we're going to hit Save. And then once we've saved that, we're going to click, it's going to reload, and then we're going to click back into our inbox. And we're going to hit Compose, and I'm going to delete everything out that's already in there. And then once again, I'm going to go over this way of creating your email. So you put your placeholder X's there. I've already copied my code from my HTML file. Right click, go down and hit inspect. When you open up the inspect window, it's going to be highlighted blue. Right click and hit edit as HTML. And you're going to go and find those little X's and Control V to copy to paste the code. Click out of it, close this, and we're going to open up a bigger window. And once again, we're going to have to remove these images at the bottom. So we're going to hit Insert Image, Upload, choose Photo, select the 3 images, insert them, and follow the same steps from the previous video. Okay, now that you have your email, responsive email that you created, inserted, everything's updated, all the pictures are showing, what you want to do is after you've done your settings and enabled canned responses, if you notice on the right side here, there are 3 little buttons that says more options. You want to click that, and you're going to notice that it says canned responses right here. You're going to hover over it and then go over here and hit save. Hover over save draft as template, then go over here and hit save as new template. The name of this template is I'm going to name it Confirmation Email 1, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to have different confirmation emails based off of whatever services or products that you have. And you're going to hit save. And that's all you have to do. That's it. So now it's going to save in your drafts. You're going to see a draft here that says, hey beautiful. When I click on it, it's going to show your email. What you have to make sure that you don't do is delete that. You have to keep that. So now, when you hit compose, you'll hit compose like you're creating a new email. Click this, the 3 buttons again, and you're going to go to canned responses, and your confirmation email in template is going to show right there. You can choose to leave your tag if you want, or you can delete it. and you can come in here and say, hey, Amy. You can change the text. Everything can be changed except for the images in the background. Now that we have that saved, we're going to hit compose. You can choose to leave your tags if you want, but I'm going to delete it. Hit the three buttons that says more options. Go up to canned responses, and you're going to see confirmation email 1 right there. And you can go in and actually change the text if you want to change it. It's like, hey, Amy, this is your confirmation email of your purchase. You'll hear back from us, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so there you go. You have your email template saved, and you can send it to whoever you want to send it to. Okay, so part 2 of this third video, I'm going to show you how to insert this code into the appointment booking app that we use on WordPress. Please stay tuned for the last and final video in this series. Please click the info card on the top right hand corner to watch the next video. As always, thanks for watching Think Miko. I'll see you in the next video.